So today we'll be discussing 4 apps that every business owner should be using as a Nigerian. So if you are operating your business from Nigeria, I found these 4 apps very useful, and the first on the list is Buffer. Buffer is an application used to schedule your social media posts. You know, if you have a business profile, you will need to actually post same content across your social media handles or your social media profiles on Instagram, on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn. So what Buffer does is you can just post once on Buffer, and Buffer will make sure all this content show on all your social media handles, on your social media profiles across everything. So that's what Buffer does, and let me show you. So this is Buffer landing page, and these are the channels that you'll be able to post to: Facebook, Google Business Profile, Instagram, LinkedIn, Mastodon, Pinterest. So most of the business profile you have, all the social media handles you have are actually covered. Instagram, in most cases, like me, I use Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. So those are the 3 major channels I use, and to post on 3 channels is actually free. So to post on just the 3 channels is free, and you can actually do the premium version if you know that you'll be posting on other channels too. So let me try to log in and show you how it works in a minute. So I'm waiting for the page to load. So I've only made a post. I just on this particular account, just to show you, I've only made 1 post to, as you can see, to Twitter, to Instagram, and to Facebook. So I need to show you the number of likes. As you can see here, we have 1 like here, mentioned, no clicks, impression 0. So it will still give you analysis of how your post is doing on all these channels. So that's how it works. You can download their mobile app to make things easy. That's that. So, and the second app that I will recommend is actually the banking app, and in this case I found PalmPay and HopePay to be most reliable when it comes to internet banking. Most of these major main banks, you know, all these main banks, they do have this delay when you do transfer. Sometimes it can take, let's say, in most cases, let's say 3 minutes to 30 minutes for you to receive a payment transfer. But on this PalmPay, I use PalmPay the most, and most times I receive my funds in, actually, any money transferred to me, I receive it in less than 10 seconds. It is very fast and it's very exceptional. I don't think I've actually used any banking platform that is that fast. So I'll recommend PalmPay if you want to do maybe your transaction. So PalmPay or HopePay, they are actually great. So until you use it, you can't realize how good they are. So that's the number 2. And the number 3 is actually Canva. So let me show you how Canva works. Let's go to my screen. So this is Canva, and Canva is a design platform. It helps you to design your social media graphics, your banner, and other things. And there are actually thousands of layouts that you can use. So you don't really need to give most of all these social media designs to graphic designer. You can actually do them yourself using templates available on Canva. And I have an account with them, and I can show you some of the thumbnails. Most of these YouTube thumbnails. I'm a designer, but most of the times I don't design the thumbnails from scratch. I just use Canva to design. So let me try to show you. So as you can see, these are some of the thumbnails that I've used Canva to design. So it is very good and very easy to use. You can download the app too. If you don't want to use the laptop, you can download the Canva app, and you can easily edit some templates for your social media posts. So that is that. And the 4th app you must be using as a business owner in Nigeria is WhatsApp Business. So if you are using the normal WhatsApp, I think it is not that appropriate for your business, because WhatsApp Business gives you a lot of functionalities and features, like business profile. On WhatsApp Business, you can create a business profile, and you can have your catalog. If you're selling maybe bags, you can have collections of your bags, so people don't really need to ask for pictures every time they want to buy something from you. They can just click your profile and check your catalogs. So, and we have the quick response, the quick replies. So you can automate your responses. Maybe greeting messages, you can automate it, so you don't really have to type to answer all of your clients, your prospective clients, one after the other. So you can use that, and you can create multiple users on WhatsApp Business. So if you have 2 businesses, you can use the 2 profile on one WhatsApp. So you can now switch between the users, maybe for your clothing line, maybe, and for your airlines, I don't know, depending on what your businesses are. So I can have contact labels. Maybe you can name some maybe prospective clients, you can name some clients, you can group your contacts, you can put labels on them, and we have message analytics. So there's message analytics on WhatsApp Business. So it has a lot of advantages over the normal WhatsApp. So if you are a business owner, you should be using WhatsApp Business. So those are the 4 apps that I find very helpful for a business owner in my country, Nigeria. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see more related videos, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in this video right here, that was where I mentioned how you can actually source for wholesale goods in Nigeria. So if you are interested, please watch the video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.